Now this is math minute after all, so we need to get that minute in there. I'm going to have it display how much time is left and count down from 1 minute. So here is where I would need to put in some sort of a timer. So I'm going to do that. I'll say span class time left. There we go. All right, and now I need to make that show up in here. So up here I'm going to say time left. That is going to start off at 0. And I'm going to set it to 0 in here so that it shows up on the page that way. Whoops. Time left. Is that right? Yep. Time left. Text. Time left. That is 0. So now it says 0 seconds left. Except I don't want it to start at 0 seconds left. That's not very helpful. I want it to start off with 60 seconds left. So I'll do something like total time. That's 60. And I'll put total time in there. Okay, so now it looks like when you open up this page, you start off with 60 seconds left to work. So now to make the timer so that that thing actually counts down, I'll do that down here, I guess. So I'm going to say set interval, and then I'll put a function in there, and I'm going to want this to execute every 1,000 milliseconds. That is every 1 second. What it's going to do every 1 second is it is going to take this total time and it's going to decrement it by 1. Then it's going to update this time left element with the total time. So let's see how that goes. All right, I can see it's counting down. I can also see that I'm not doing anything with this time left. So I'll just go ahead and get rid of that. All right, looks pretty good so far. The one thing I'm still not really happy about is the semantic difference between total time and time left. So maybe I actually will change this back to time left. I'm totally being nitpicky here, but the readability of code is pretty important. So it starts off at 60. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I like that much better because it didn't really make any sense to decrement the total time. Time left, that makes much more sense, and then that also matches the class of this thing right here. So as always, your variables can be called anything, but may as well name them something that reads easily. So now we'll say added counter to page.